After filming my tutorial on the one-way coring system, I was left with a rough blank that I used to demonstrate the process. It's a piece of extremely dry oak, riddled with deep cracks. I wasn't in the mood to deal with epoxy or fillers, and honestly, I was about to toss it into the fireplace. But after my last project, where I scorched the knots on the oak wall panels, a new idea struck me. Why not try the same trick on this bowl? With one exception. I won't be filling the cracks with resin. I'll leave them exactly as they are, but with a deeply charred, coal-like finish. Let's see how this turns out. After the initial shaping of the exterior, I'll give the surface a quick pass with 40 grit sandpaper before thoroughly charring all the cracks across the surface. The hollowing process is very time consuming, especially when the oak is this dry. Since I've removed the tailstock and the blank is still quite heavy, there's always a risk of it slipping out a chuck. That's why I'm taking it slow, working with minimal pressure. As I moved through this process, I actually started to regret that there weren't more cracks. When charring, it's crucial to thoroughly scorch the interior of each split so that the walls of the crack are completely carbonized. After burning all the cracks on the exterior, it's important to repeat the same procedure on the rim. Once this stage is complete, the key is to sand everything meticulously, ensuring no scratches or rough spots remain. I finished the sanding process at 500 grit and began applying linseed oil. Linseed oil has a slightly reddish tint, which I felt perfectly emphasized the deep brown texture of the wood. The result turned out excellent. If you have a blank with a lot of cracks and you're either too lazy to glue them all or too attached to throw the piece away, try this method. I'm confident you'll be happy with the outcome. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this video, and don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to me.